Let me ask a very interesting question. When we burn carbon, it results in carbon dioxide. Where does it go? When your mother is cooking food in the kitchen, it is resulting in carbon dioxide. When we are traveling, we are using petrol and diesel, it results in carbon dioxide. When factories are running, they use energy, that results in carbon dioxide. Where does this carbon dioxide go? I keep asking these people to the question. I keep asking this question to the people, and everyone says it goes in the atmosphere. We all throw carbon dioxide in the atmosphere as if it is your father's property, grandfather's property, uncle's property. No, it is not. It is not our father's property. How can we keep dumping day in and day out carbon dioxide in the atmosphere? No one has ever told us that we can't do it. Parents, professors, policymakers, politicians, press, nobody has ever told us that we cannot keep dumping carbon dioxide in the atmosphere every single day, every single hour, every single minute. That is not ours. Atmosphere is not our garbage bin. Science is growing, technology is growing, economy is also growing. But size of atmosphere is not growing. If you look at the planet from outside, you see the thin blue layer. That is our atmosphere, and that is not growing. But what we are doing, we are pumping more and more carbon dioxide. We are filling up our atmosphere. Basically what we have done, we have converted our atmosphere into a garbage bin, a global garbage bin of CO2. And numbers are very clear. Before industrialization in 1850, the concentration of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere was 280 ppm parts per million. In 2025, that number has increased to 430 ppm, 430 parts per million, from 280 to 430. This is nearly 53% extra carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. And unfortunately, carbon dioxide has no color. It has no smell. It is a colorless and smellless. It is invisible garbage that we keep throwing without realizing. But the problem is 53% extra carbon dioxide means 53% extra greenhouse effect, means 53% extra capacity of the planet to trap the heat. As a result of that, planet is becoming warmer and warmer. And I'm sure you're all experiencing it. You don't need a scientist, you don't need a professor to tell you that planet is becoming warmer, isn't it? There are two categories of the garbage. One is visible, other is invisible. The visible garbage is the garbage that comes from our kitchen, the vegetable waste, some packaging material, plastic. And invisible garbage is the garbage of greenhouse gases. And there are three basic differences between these two garbage. Well, one, the visible garbage, if you don't collect it today, you can collect it tomorrow. But invisible garbage, once it goes to the atmosphere, it remains there. The visible garbage is actually small in quantity. The global average is around 750 kilograms of garbage per person per year. But the invisible garbage is huge. It is almost 4,500 kilograms per person per year. There's another very important difference. The visible garbage, most of it is a degradable. It will degrade in 5 months, 6 months, maybe 1 year, except the plastic. But the invisible garbage, the greenhouse gases, the carbon dioxide, once it is emitted, it is going to remain in the atmosphere for 300 years. What does it mean? It means that food that we are going to eat today, the travel that we are going to make today, the AC that we are going to use today, every emission of carbon dioxide that we are making today, it will have impact on the atmosphere for next 300 years. That's a disaster, isn't it? So let us be very clear. Every time when we consume something, whether you are sending WhatsApp message or watching movie or eating food or traveling or using a furniture, every time when we consume something, we are leaving behind an impact. Not for 1 day, 1 year, but for 300 years. So we are in 2025, which means whatever we do today will have impact in the atmosphere, in the global warming until 2325. My God. So hello, please realize that the atmosphere is not our dumping ground. It is not our garbage bin. The kitchen's garbage bin, you can empty it, but the atmosphere garbage, you cannot empty it. Once it is gone, it is gone. And unfortunately, this atmosphere garbage is filling up fast, and therefore planet is heating up fast and even faster. Overall, the climate change is the mess that we have all created because of our day-to-day consumption. And until we stop considering our atmosphere as a landfill, unfortunately, we are going to pile up bigger and bigger mess, and the planet will become hotter and hotter, almost like a fever to human body.